The title of Unit 2, Key to Concepts, Unlock the Future. There are 5 chapters are there. Chapter first, Ratio and Proportion. Chapter first, Ratio and Proportion. Ratio and Proportion. Chapter first, Ratio and Proportion. Chapter 2, Unitary Method. Chapter 2, Unitary Method. Chapter 3, Percentage. Chapter 4, Profit and Loss. Chapter 4, Profit and Loss. And last chapter is Simple Interest. Chapter 5, Simple Interest. Now keep heading. Chapter first, Ratio and Proportion. Keep first heading. Ratio and Proportion. Chapter first, Ratio and Proportion. Chapter first, Ratio and Proportion. Firstly, students, I want to explain some basics concept in this ratio and proportion. Then after that, I will start ratio and proportion concept. Listen carefully. What is the meaning of ratio? Suppose, listen carefully, everyone. What is the meaning of ratio? Okay. What is the meaning of ratio? Listen carefully. Ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. Ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. Okay. Now suppose this is one pizza. Okay. Everyone likes pizza. This is one pizza. In this, there are two friends. First friend is Ram. Second is Ria. Ram and Ria. There are two friends. First is Ram. Second is Ria. Got it? Then Ria is very clever. What she has done? Both have contributed the money. Ria has eaten that much portion. Okay. She was very clever. She did not inform to Ram. She has completed that much part. Okay. After that, Ram, what he will do? Remaining portion he has eaten. Okay. Understood? Now, what is the meaning of this? This is one pizza. In this one pizza, I am dividing how many parts? Two parts. But both parts are equal? No. Means what is the meaning of fraction? Fraction is the part of the whole and each whole divided into equal parts. Fraction is the part of the whole and each whole divided into equal parts. After that, okay, Ram Ram told, okay, you have eaten that much pizza, I will not eat that pizza. Again, they they went to bakery shop. Again, they brought one more pizza. Again, half of pizza Ram has eaten, and half of the pizza Ria has eaten. Understood? Means ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. What is the meaning of fraction? Fraction is the part of the whole and each whole divided into equal parts. Are you getting my points? Now, what is the actual meaning of ratio? Comparison of two quantities or items or numbers is called ratio. Comparison of two items or quantities or numbers is called ratio. Listen carefully, student. Listen carefully, everyone. Suppose we want to compare two things. Suppose this number is 1 and this second number is 2. Now I want to compare which number is greater. 2 is greater. Then I can say 2 is greater than 1. Okay. Here I am comparing two numbers. Okay. Next, again, again, I want to compare these cubes. Left side, how many cube is there? There is only one cube. And right side, how many cubes are there? There are two cubes. Then which left side is greater, right side is greater? Right side is greater. Means here I am comparing, we can compare numbers or items or quantities. But listen carefully. When you are comparing two items and numbers or quantity, unit should be same. Unit will be same. What is the meaning of unit? Suppose I am comparing, listen carefully everyone. Suppose I am comparing 2 kg and 2 rupees. Can I compare 2 kg and 2 rupees? Can I compare? No. Why? Because units are different. This is kg, this is rupees. We can't compare. We can't compare. That's why when we are comparing two items or numbers or quantity, firstly, we need to check units. If units are same, we can compare easily. But if units are different, we want to convert into same units, then we can compare the items or quantities or numbers. Suppose I am writing here 2000 k 2000 gram 4 kg. 2000 gram and 4 kg. Now 2000 gram I know 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. And 2000 gram, how many kg? 2 kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. If 2000 gram is there, 2 kg will be there. Now, here we are observing students gram and kg. What we have done? I have converted into same units. Now it has come 2 kg and 4 kg. Now I can compare 2 kg and 4 kg. 4 kg is greater than 2 kg. Understood? Means what is the meaning of ratio? Ratio means comparison of items, a quantity or numbers. First concept. Next, ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. When we are comparing two items or numbers or quantities, firstly, I want to check units are same or not. If units are same, we can compare the items or quantity and numbers easily. But if units are different, we want to convert into same units. Got it? Last point in ratio is very important points. If I am asking comparison of, if I am asking compare number of students, a number of boys and girls in grade 7. Number of boys and girls in grade 7. Suppose I am observing, yeah, number of boys is 12 and number of girls is 11. Number of boys is 12 and number of girls is 11. I am comparing comparison of boys and girls. I have written 12 is to 11. This symbol is called ratio symbol. How to speak is 2. 12 is to 11. Okay. If 12 is to 11, I will write like that 12 divided by 11 because I told to you ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. 12 divided by 11. Now, one student was there. He was very clever. He, he has given answer 11 by 12. I am asking question ratio of boys is to girls. Boys is to girls. This answer is correct. Yeah, this answer is correct. Which one is correct? This one is correct. Yeah, this one is correct. Second is wrong. Why? Because question he has given boys is to girls. What you are learning in this point, order is very, very important in ratio. Order is very, very important in ratio because he has asked a ratio of boys is to girls means 12 divided by 1, but you are writing 11 divided by 1. Both are different. Understood? This point also very important point in ratio. Again, I am recapping. Listen carefully, everyone. What is the meaning of ratio? Comparison of two items and numbers and quantities is called ratio. Next, when we are comparing two items and numbers and quantities, firstly, I want to check units are same or not. If units are same, we can compare very easily. But if units are different, we want to convert into same units, then we can compare the items and quantity and numbers. Next, ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction concept. Next, ratio order is very, very important in ratio. And last point, ratio don't have units. What is the meaning of you don't have units? Listen carefully. If I am comparing, listen carefully, everyone. If I am comparing 2 meter is to 4 meter. Now I told ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. I can write 2 meter divided by 4 meter. Okay. Meter cancel. 2 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 1 by 2 means 1 is to 2. Here meter has come in final answer. Meter is not there. Meter is there, meter is not there. Meter is not there. That's why ratio don't have units. Ratio don't have units. Now keep adding everyone. Left side, ratio. Left side, keep adding everyone. Ratio. The comparison of the comparison of the comparison of two quantities, the comparison of the comparison of two quantities or items or numbers. The comparison of two quantities, items or numbers. The symbol used for ratio, first star point, the symbol used for the symbol used for ratio is this symbol, one dot up, one dot down. The symbol used for the ratio is and. This symbol is and this symbol is written between two quantities, and this symbol is written and this symbol is written between two quantities. This symbol is written between two quantities. Next star points. Ratio has no units. Ratio has no units. Next star points. Third star point. We can compare the two quantities. We can compare the two quantities we can compare the two quantities only if they are in the same units. They are in the same units. Only they are in the same units. Last star point. Ratio is nothing but space. Otherwise, you can note down. Ratio is the special type of fraction. Ratio is the special type of fraction. And last point, everyone is waiting. Yeah. Now I am asking, last point, note down. A is to be, how to pronounce? A is to be, this is a symbol of ratio. A is to B, I can write is equal to A divided by B. A is to B, I can write A divided by B. A is to B, I can write A divided by B. What is the name of A? A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. Note down, everyone. A is antecedent. Antecedent. A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. 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 Example first. Find the ratio of find the ratio of and students, those are missing the classes, those are unable to understand the class, you can call anytime, you can ask, or you can go to YouTube channel, Bomis Warangal YouTube channel, you can check your classes also. If anything you have doubt, you can check in the YouTube channel. Okay, right. Example first, note down. Find the ratio of find the ratio of find the ratio of find the ratio of Find the ratio of